Hello and happy Thanksgiving. I'm Rob from Rob and Maria Trading, and Maria's just off camera here. We thought we'd do a little video talking about trading on Thanksgiving because trading on Thanksgiving can actually be a really great thing to do. So let's take a look right now. So Thanksgiving week is by far the most predictable week of the year. Volume is going to drop up to 60%. You're going to have low volatility, steady drift, strong mean reversion, and premium sellers win, which is great because, we're premium sellers. Historically, the SPX averages slight gains during this week. It rarely has large moves, and the biggest risks really are from people over trading. The best options trades this week are the SPX 0DTE iron condors with very wide wings. We like to use the multiple entry iron condors during this week with tighter premium filters. Maria's also going to be trading probably some cash secured puts, maybe some wheel strategy as well. Covered calls on the slow movers. She likes those a lot, especially on this shortened week. The best stock plays this week are you want to buy dips on low volume panic. This is going to be low volume, so it's going to move suddenly when it starts to dip because there's just not that many buyers there. So you want to buy those dips. You want to sell covered calls into slow rallies, and you want to avoid the small caps and the illiquid names. Be careful of trading anything that's got a really wide bid and ask. It's really not worth trading at all. You'll get eaten up by that. Rob's playbook, we're going to trade small, but we're still going to trade often. Now I'm going to trade Monday all day, Tuesday all day, Wednesday morning. I'll be trading both multiple entry iron condors and exponential moving averages in the SPX 0DTEs. I'll be putting on about 100 trades a day. That'll all be done by the robot so that I don't have to do it manually. Also, near the end of the day, I'm going to be putting on the Gambler Special. Now, if you've been watching our 6 trades a day series, you're going to be able to see exactly what we're doing when I talk about the Gambler Special. Now, Maria's playbook, she's going to zip up her broker account near the end of the week. She'll be doing cash secured puts on heavily traded stocks. I don't know exactly what names, but think of things like NVIDIA, Oracle, Microsoft, that type of stuff. Those may not be the specific ones she does, but that's what she'll be looking at. She'll be looking at covered calls with return on capital filter, and she'll be using her triple D report, trading with AI and getting advice from AI, working with AI to gather information. Again, look at our channel. There's a whole bunch of videos on how Maria uses AI to help spot her winners. Also, she'll be doing the low stress income stocks. That's what she's going to be looking for. Now, the calendar for the week. Monday, we're going to sell premium early. Tuesday, we're going to be doing iron condors and multiple entry iron condors in the sweet spot. We're going to close early on Wednesday. Remember, it goes the full day, but volume really drops off in the last few minutes. And Friday, Thursday and Friday, watch that with your family and avoid trades. I got the peanut gallery here. So finally, to finish, I want you to vote in the comments below. So don't be a turkey, go vote. Type live if you want to see us trade live. Type 6 if you want to see us doing more of our 6 trades a day. Type the letters AI if you want to see more about how we use AI all day, every day. Type 1M if you want to see how we trade our big funds by the millions, so we can show you what we do per million. And finally, type addict if you're a trading addict like we are. We hope you have a great holiday and dress up for the holidays. I like to look nice for some of my relatives. I only see them once a year. Some of them say that's about the right amount, but I like to look nice for the holidays. I hope you do the same. You have a great trading day. Maria, you want to say anything? Say goodbye, Maria.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, she says.